All right, guys, time for another shop update. So, customer CRF80F popped the motor off that. They thought it might just need a top end rebuild. Turns out the cylinder was trashed, and I personally think it needs a head too. If you can see that, she's destroyed. So that may not be worth fixing. Krista's 230F. We finally, baby was taking a nap, and she ran out here and helped me, and we pulled the motor off. Sit right there. This is the customer's KLX, and the shift shaft is bad, but let me show you what they rigged up. It's super cool. So the people that owned it before they did messed up the splines on the shift shaft, and so they had the shifter welded on there. Well, so their little guy could ride that day. They took this socket, 9/16, put it on the shift shaft, drilled a hole in it, and put this bolt through it. Like so. And then they could put a socket in here and shift this thing so their little one could ride it for the around the yard for a while. So pretty cool. But I'm gonna fix that shaft. My KX, I finally got the bars and everything fixed, up and running. Got the mica clamps, threw my moose tuggers on here. Got the front tugger, got the rear tugger. A few more things I want to do this, but man, it's slowly starting to come to a halt. Build's almost where I want it to be. Let's go upstairs. Still got a lot of flooring work to do up here, obviously, but shot my first video in here. Main problem right now is the audio, so once I get the flooring down, I can put some rugs down, then I can start on the walls, and I'll put some soundproofing up, and the sound won't reverberate so bad. But right now it is absolutely awful. All right, guys, check this out. Look what finally came in the mail. That's right, the graphics from factory backing. I'm super happy with them. The orange is dead on. The gray is a good gray. Got 3 mini plates. Everything looks good. When you order something from factory, the cuts are always good. There's never any, very rarely I've ever seen any imperfections in the print. So have those. Plastics right there. Hopefully get those installed in the next day or two. Yeah, super pumped. I think on an all orange setup, this is gonna look sweet. See what else we got going on here. Got the skid plate for the WR. Haven't got a chance to put it on yet. It's right there. The TM Designs black one's pretty cool. Have a bunch of oil changes to do. Krista CRF250, her KX. My KTM is about to get its first oil change, and I can't remember if I've ever changed the oil on my DR, so we're gonna do it too. I got this rack right here. Some of it's a little bit of it started to rust, so I'm gonna paint it and put it upstairs. Keep some of my gear out there and get it out of the house. Got a bunch of stuff there to put on the KTM, as you guys have already seen. There's plenty to do. Yeah, so that's about all we have going on in the garage at the moment. Have a few suspension jobs, but love to find a little time to run this guy. Just not enough hours in the day, not enough weekends in the month, guys. So yeah. Shoot me some comments. Let me know what you guys are doing. And hopefully this quarantine's over in the next couple weeks and we can actually get to the racetrack. Thanks. See you in the next one.